In this article, we will discuss the deployment tools available for Salesforce. As we look ahead to 2025, the Salesforce deployment landscape is set to advance, providing various tools and strategies aimed at improving the deployment process. Below are some crucial tools and techniques anticipated to play a vital role in Salesforce deployments. Salesforce deployment tools. Several tools are currently available to manage Salesforce deployments. Here is a list of them. Salesforce Change Sets, Salesforce Ant Migration Tool, Salesforce CLI, Command Line Interface, Salesforce DevOps Center, Metadata API, Salesforce Package, Deployment using WorkBench. 1. Salesforce Change Sets. A change set serves as a method for one organization to transfer customizations to another organization. In Salesforce, change sets are collections of components that can be deployed from one Salesforce organization to another. This tool is a standard deployment user interface feature offered by Salesforce. Change sets include details about the organization, but do not encompass data such as records. 2. Ant Migration Tool. This tool, which utilizes Apache Ant, is intended for developers requiring bulk deployment of metadata. It is particularly suited for intricate deployments and automation processes. The Salesforce Ant Migration Tool will be retired in spring 2024. While it will still operate with future API versions, it will not receive updates for new features and will lack support. To handle metadata modifications, it is recommended to transition to Salesforce CLI for a contemporary and supported development experience. 3. Salesforce CLI, Command Line Interface. This robust tool allows developers to oversee Salesforce applications and automate deployment tasks through command line instructions. Explore the useful CLI commands for Salesforce DX. It comprises a cohesive suite of tools that enhances the development workflow and fosters improved collaboration. Additionally, it provides a contemporary approach to managing version control and continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD. 4. Salesforce DevOps Center. This tool offers an intuitive interface for overseeing development workflows and deployment processes. It seamlessly integrates with version control systems and encourages the adoption of best practices in DevOps. 5. Metadata API. The Metadata API serves as an essential tool for developers aiming to programmatically manage and deploy metadata, facilitating the integration of custom deployment solutions. 6. Salesforce Package. A package functions as a container that can hold anything from a single component to a comprehensive suite of related applications. Once a package is created, it can be shared with other Salesforce users and organizations, even those external to your own. An organization has the capability to develop a single managed package that can be downloaded and installed by multiple organizations. All you have to do is subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video with a new update. Until then, bye-bye, take care.